If you want to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A57, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. The first option is to simply open settings, and then in here in settings we're gonna scroll down and we want to go to general management. Next, in the general management you should be able to find the reset option, and then in here we have factory data reset, where we can of course quickly hard reset our phone. You can see everything that is going to be removed, which is of course pretty much everything. So make sure to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose in the process. Also, you can erase eSIMs over here as well, and once you are ready, just tap on reset and follow the rest of the instructions. In addition to that, if you go to security and privacy in the settings, then over here we can find the lost device protection, and then here we can go to find my mobile. Now, if find my mobile is enabled on your Samsung Galaxy A57, then you can use the Samsung Find app or the Samsung website in order to locate your phone. And if possible to locate your phone, you should be able to factory reset the phone remotely. You can go to the samsungfind.samsung.com website, and once you select your smartphone, your Galaxy A57, then you should be able to find erase data option in here. So you can use that in order to factory reset your phone. There is a similar option provided by Google, which is the Find Hub or Find My Device. In this case, if you want to find it, you want to go to Google Services in Settings. Then over here, you might be able to, well, you should be able to switch to All Services. And then we want to scroll down until you find the Find Hub option. And if this option over here, Allow Device to be Located, is enabled, then you should be able to use the Find Hub app or Find Hub web in order to open it, to locate the phone, of course, just like in the case of Samsung Find, and erase the data. And this is how it looks like, more or less. This is google.com/android/find, and then over here we can choose factory reset device. Of course, make sure that the correct Google account is used. You need to sign into the same Google account that is used on your phone. And last but not least, we can also perform a factory reset by using recovery mode on our phone. And in order to do so, we will need to turn off our phone. So I'm going to go to the quick settings panel. We're going to tap on this power button in here, and then we can power off our phone. In addition to that, we need to use a computer or a laptop and a USB cable. We will need to connect the cable to our phone right now. And then once we do so, you want to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. So let me just try to plug it in. There we go. And then after that, press and hold power and volume up. And now we need to keep holding both of these buttons until you open the recovery mode. Soon we should be able to see it. There we go. Now we can let go both of these buttons. In here we navigate by using volume buttons. So of course you want to choose wipe data/factory reset. Over here confirm by using the power button. And then once again we need to go to factory data reset and once again confirm with the power button. And if you happen to go back to this main menu of Android recovery, then of course afterwards you want to reboot your system. So choose reboot system now and confirm. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.